Kenna was just cleaning. Look what she found. Look at that. Those don't even look real.
Mm-hmm.
I wish we could open this.
I think we can, but I'm scared.
Me too. She'd be coming back. She'll attack us. Oh, that's
I mean,
nice
there's a
little
screen,
robin.
Talking about the other bugs.
Forgot to tell you guys, okay, it's the next day. You just saw all our fire pit stuff. It's the next day, but I forgot to tell you guys. I didn't have any memory and I had to delete stuff. Hey, Bella, hey. Just looking at the new baby robins. Bella, stop licking. Look, right there. We have a screened-in porch, so you can't see very well. But she just had her babies. How precious. I'm pretty sure she's sitting in like one of these trees watching us, like waiting to come and sit back on them. Come back and sit on them. But yeah, Bella's pretty excited. How do you feel about the new babies? Oh, you're cute. There's a bird in my room. It's a little bird. It flew in. Oh my god. Okay, go.
Baby. It like is acting scared.
I think it is scared. It's probably also the fact that it's facing the wall. You just gonna cup it with your hands?
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Okay. Oh god.
Oh my gosh.
It's okay. Just cupping a bird.
Wait, we probably shouldn't be making this noise.
Okay, just be quiet.
I'm nervous.
I am too. Oh my god.
Should I take a towel?
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
Yeah, let me try that.
Okay.
I just don't want it to scratch the hell out of me. Just feel like.
I think it's, I don't know, it's pretty small. Bella has no idea what's going on. Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh.
How the heck did it just do that? Oh, this is good. I think his wing is stuck to the brick. I think you can get him.
Baby, you're okay.
Cover him up.
Oh god!
Oh my gosh. How are you doing that?
How is he scaling the wall?
Let's just drift him over this way.
Scott, yeah, keep going.
It's okay. Oh, no. Bella.
Y'all,
Bella, she has it in her mouth. She has it in her mouth.
oh god.
Oh my god, she has it.
We could have gotten it. She was.
Oh my god, she attacked it.
She was trying to play with it.
Well, you know.
Oh, she's like.
Any dog would do that.
Oh my god. Oh.
Okay, I'm just gonna take her off the leash. Oh my god. Okay. She'll help you.
No. Why are you
She didn't bite. She wasn't biting it. She was bringing it.
No. Babe, she like had it in her mouth. She's like, look
She's
what I
not-
got, Mama.
She's just trying to help.
Where is it? There you are. Hi, baby. See it? I'm just trying to help you.
And Bella's just trying to help you.
Okay, I got it. You got it?
Yay!
You gotta go put it outside.
Oh no, what if this was one of the baby? Oh, that's not a robin.
Bella's
Hang
Not
on.
one of the baby ones.
No, it's not. Hang on.
Good job, girl.
Thanks, Rachel.
You are like the bird catcher.
Can you let Bella sniff it?
She had it in her mouth. She's fine.
I can't believe you did that, Bella.
My bed was completely made when I left the house. And I just... You think you're cute? You think you're cute? Ooh, ooh. Wow. I went to go fix the bed. Bella, move! Okay, Bella, move. Went to go fix the bed, and she's hidden a treat. You figured it was there? You can't cover it up again. This is leaving. Gross.
Fine. She took it over there and put it on top of the porcupine. That's right, girl. Hide it real good, okay?
Oh, you done? That was so nice that you gave it to your toy. You gave the treat to your toy. That's so sweet, Bella. That's very sweet of you. She's like, I'm busy, Mom.
When the sun starts sinking, we've already been drinking. When we bounce, leave the house, down the bottles we're sipping. Wear our shades out at night when we can't breathe.
We're in Ulta. We started off the day. I don't like it. My hair's doing something really interesting today. We're out of Ulta.
The other one was orange. I was really scared they weren't gonna have that.
We dropped Bella off at the groomer. She is getting groomed.
Yeah.
She's gonna have herself a little poodle cut for the first time. And now we're going to Target. So yeah, it's gonna be about an hour. Hour and a half. 3 hours.
The rest of
2 years later. Oh
Rachel.
Yeah.
The floor is lava. I win.
no! I didn't vlog in Target at all. But now we're at sushi. Sitting outside.
We've given so much money to Wasabi. Yeah, we have.
So much money.
For real though.
Only been here a couple months, but they get the best of us.
They do.
We get the first of our paychecks. Anyways,
True every time.
gotta figure out what we're eating.
Having a good time over there.
I've got this thing gonna blow your mind, pulling your